Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to log in WeChat account. So first you need to go to your Play Store and search for WeChat. And then you need to install it. After that, open WeChat. It's the green icon with two chat bubbles labeled WeChat. You'll typically find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. If you don't remember your password, use this method to sign in with an SMS code. You'll have a chance to reset your password once you're logged in. Now, tap Login. It's a green button at the bottom of the screen. If you see your profile photo or phone number instead of a login button, tap More about the bottom of the screen. Then, tap Switch Account. You should now see a place to enter a phone number and password. Tap Login via SMS. It's at the bottom of the screen. And then enter your mobile phone number. WeChat needs this number to send you a confirmation code. If the country listed is not correct, tap Country or Region, then select the correct country. And then tap Next. Now you'll see a blank that says Code. In a few moments, you will receive a text message that contains a code that you'll enter on this screen. You will receive a text message that contains a code that you'll enter on this screen. And then type the code into the blank. You'll have to open the text message to get the code. And then tap Next. WeChat will now verify the code and bring you to password reset screen. And then type a new password into the first box. Type the same password into the second box. And then tap Done. So you are logged into your WeChat account. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.